Welcome to Effect Custom Uncensored. We're going to reassemble this door that we took apart, the tank. We have a previous video on taking it apart. We're going to start off with the rubber. We're going to do the door handle, the rubber, the molding, the door panel, the mirror. Start off right here on the rubber. Let this go inside so it doesn't hit the paint. It has a lip right here. I'll show it real quick. Right here, the lip goes down on this groove and slides down in there. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna start off by putting this lip on. Get it started right there. So we're gonna put the back in like that. Let my lips on there. It's not. And once it's on there like that, you just kind of slide it down like that. Make sure your lip stays on it as it goes down. I have to go to this curve point right here, so we got to go down a little further still. Make it kind of tight, but it helps to do it. It helps to push right there at the bottom. I'll keep it in all at the same time. Yeah, I may have to use two. It does get tight once it gets to the bottom because it starts on the, gets where it's in the glass too. It gets tight once it gets down close. So looks like we're down far enough now. And this top will go in here like this. Just kind of snaps in. Make sure all your rubber's good right there. Kind of do the same thing on around up here. On this side we'll have to put this in. It just slides down over the glass. Right here, just slide down over the glass, push it back in like this, and slide it down just a little bit. Just enough so you get this top in. And then when you get it in, push it back up where it's snug in the corner. It's all tight right there. Got a lip right there that shows you where it's got to go. Push it in tight. And way at the top, just push it in. Push it in like that. Okay, and there's the rubber. Okay, next thing we'll do will be this piece right here because it goes up under your mirror. Now be real careful right here not to touch the paint. Slides down over this piece of metal right here. It has clips that snap down. Put it on there even like that. Just push it down. You feel it go down. There's a hole right there. Have a screw right here we'll have to put in there. I do have all my stuff laid out, so it's kind of organized on which way it goes in. Little bead screw right there. And this is a hex head. you didn't watch the previous video, this is a hex head. I think it's a 10. Not sure. It's small. Snug it up with your hand. That's good. All right. So next thing we'll do will be the mirror. The mirror has a snap on it that'll help it hold it in place. We're gonna hope that does what it's supposed to do. We're gonna easily move this, take this in. Don't want to mess up the paint job. Line those up with the holes. Push it in there like that. Hope it stays so we get around. It did. This right here has 3 nuts on it. They're 10 millimeters. I'm gonna put one on there real quick for safety. All right, now it will not go anywhere. These right here, you just snug up too. Don't have to tighten them up a whole lot. Okay. Now that's in. Plug it up right here. This thing snaps in place like this. Those little spots right there. Just like that. Okay, and that's ready. That's in. Okay. Next we'll put this piece on. Then we're gonna have to roll the window up. This piece just snaps around over that like this. Got a little push tab to start off with right there. Under my stuff, I might have to move that real quick. It might go, it does, it goes up under that. It's snapping on there like it won't, like it needs to go. We have to take that off to get that on there. Come off without it, but then smaller clip tool. Okay. What you don't want to do is to pull the thing out. I might find the smaller clip too. I have to redo every one of them. We'll start by taking this back off. See, it has little clips in it right here too. Knock them off. Another perfect example of how the rock tool does the job. The bigger tool, you'll notice the two that I tried with the bigger tool, both of the tabs came out right here. And that's because the other clip tool was too big. It did not fit like it was supposed to right there. Put these back in real quick. Slide them in like that. Put it in the hole, slide it one way, and put the other side in like that, and they're back in there. All right, so let's try this one more time with the rubber out of the way. So I figured out what the problem was. It actually goes in the groove right there, like this. Uh-oh. But you got to slide in right here. So let me get this back where it needs to go. So this is not right here. There we go, like that. It's kind of hard to see right there, but it goes right on the inside of that rubber, like that. Right there, it goes in that, like that. Goes up in the. Okay. Yep, like that. And that's why this wasn't in like it's supposed to be. It actually goes around that like that, and that looks much better. Put that in like right there, like, all right. So that's how that works. Had nothing to do with the rubber, but the rubber helped see what we need to do. And we'll push these little tabs back in. Put the rubber back where it goes. Go. All right, so all that's on. Now, for the door handle, I have to raise the window. So let me get the door panel. I have to plug the switch up. Put the truck on. Roll the window up. This is good. The window works properly. Unhook this. Okay. Okay, so the reason why we did that is because we have to be able to get to where this hooks up out here. And you do that through this hole right here. I use a flathead screwdriver. I'll just leave that right there for now, and I'll bring the door on in a little bit. So what it is this goes in here like this. Hold on 1 second. Very important. The rubber piece that goes on this. Let me take this back out. This one has one right here. This one goes on the door. It's got a little thing that just kind of snaps in there like that. And that's really it. Okay, so now we're ready to put the door on. Door handle, I mean. There's the other part to it. So we'll put this in, and I'll have to use a screwdriver to push the piece out that this goes into. There's a piece that does this number. This has to go in. So I have to push that piece up, put this in here like this, and then be able to slide it in it with it up. So let me get on this side. I have to take this thing out to see where I'm at. Have to look. There you go. You got to do the middle of it, and it may or may not work. First time you have to. All right, and it snaps in like that. When you pull it back, if you've got tension on it, it worked. So now that that's on there, I'm going to put the lock piece on, and we got a screw here that we'll have to tighten up. And we'll pull this out, and this will just got a little thing that hooks in right there, like that. This is also a star head, and this screw, if you didn't watch the other video, this screw is still in there. It's in that hole right there. We'll just tighten it up. Actually, can do this with your finger tight. Does not need to be real tight. Just snug it up. It is going into plastic. You'll feel it right there, and you're good. The door handle's done. You have to cover up your little hole. Have one of these little grommets. Just goes in there like that. All right. Well, next thing, everything's on the outside the door. Door handle's on, so we'll put the door panel on. Two things we have to hook up. We have to hook up the plug and the door handle. I'm going to try to do the plug like this. I didn't do it last time real good like this, but I'll try it again. Slide it up in there until it snaps, and this plastic, if you didn't see the last video, this plastic piece folds down, it's tightened and connects it. When you're taking it off, there's a little push thing right there. You have to push to get that piece to come back up. All right. We'll put this snaps right here in this hole. here. Okay, we'll leave that for now. And this right here comes, put that little ball thing like a hole. And then the wire comes through, you pull it back. Do right. There it goes. Slides on all the way like that. Okay.
Want to turn that switch off?
And then you have to, yeah. Sorry about that. And we have to pull it up over the door lock. It's kind of tricky. Really good place to hold it, is it? I need to look down with this. Don't look like I'm getting it over far enough. Oh, there it goes. It's not in. It's in there, but it ain't in there. Actually, let's try to lift it up just a little bit and get it over that. Yep, like that. Problem with it right here. Not wanting to go over that lip right there before it comes down, and it's not wanting to do that. Not really sure why. That's not where it's supposed to be. Not want that right there. not getting over the lip like it's supposed to. I'm pretty sure. Go around the window and see if that'll help. Thing has a lip that it's supposed to go over, and it's over it everywhere but right here at the end. Tell you what, let me go get a little hook. May be able to come over where it's supposed to come over. So, not good. I know what it is now. Pulled the back up first and it come out like that. Now that I think about it, so we'll do it like this. Put that back first. Hopefully. Wow. That back in there. So that was the thing. I need to put the back in, the front in first. In there. This side and now this side. There. Alright, and there it goes. Finally. There it goes. Wow. Now for the easy part. Just snap it in place. That. And now you have 5 7mm bolts. One here. These right here, you can just finger tighten them too. Yeah, that could be right, man. Before I go any further, let me check this window real quick. Okay. Alright, so got that screwed in. Here's tight, yep, alright. You got 2 in here. Kind of hard to get it started. Not a whole lot of room for your fingers. There we go. And these two, you can just finger tighten. They're not going to go anywhere. They're not going to work loose. But I mean, snug them up pretty good. But okay. We have one that's way back here in the back. Oh, it's going to be tricky. What I'm going to do, I'm going to grab a quick piece of tape. Put the bolt in there and just put a little piece of tape around it. Slide it in there. There we go. And move this one. Snug it up real good. Okay. Got 2 more bolts down here. One here. And one here. Okay. As you put our covers on, we have one of the little clips right here that did not come out. So we're going to take it out and put it back where it goes. Hopefully. Okay, well, shoot, right. So, okay, it goes right here. Push it down on that. Say I will. Oh, they're back. They're bent. All right. Okay, wiggle it on like that. Okay. This piece right here snaps on. That goes up under there like that. Make sure you're up far enough. And push it in. Then we'll make sure you're in the right spot. Okay, like that. Okay, we have two more covers. This one right here goes down in here over those bolts. Slides in on one side and it snaps down. Same way right here. This one goes in like this. Snaps in there. And that's how you rebuild a door after you've painted it. Subscribe, like, share. Definitely want your comments. Look at our playlist. It has this from start to finish for the most part. Thank you. Have a good day.